Dear Miss Jenny, I'm writing to let you know that I need to apologize for being late with the class activities. I'm very sorry about that. Unfortunately, I had several exams this week, and preparing for them took much more time than I expected. Because of that, I couldn't complete the assignments on schedule. I'm currently working on the pending task, and I will finish them as soon as possible. I hope this delay doesn't cause any inconvenience, and I truly appreciate your understanding. Please let me know if there is anything specific I should prioritize or any new instructions you would like me to follow. Best wishes, Paulette.